Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to turn in a discussion question. So you want to go into week 1. We're going to go into Friday and let's look at the what's your name discussion. So right here it says, in the discussion below, please type your name, then record yourself saying your name. What you do, you come in, you're going to type your name. So my name is Miss Huey. You're then going to come into this little microphone right here. You're going to click record. I'm going to do audio only today. I'm going to allow it to use my microphone. So here goes. Click start recording. Miss Huey. Notice we're going to insert the recording. After that, I click post. That's all you do. After you click post, you are done.